Hey guys, just got my new live mount for my phone. I thought maybe I'd do a little unboxing video. If anyone's thinking about getting one of these. I do have a coupon code that you guys can use. If you are thinking about getting one of these, it's from Arkon, and I will link the coupon code right underneath this video. Everything was packaged really well. I'm surprised that it was such a small box for how big this mount looks like it's gonna be. But it looks like we got everything in here. I like that it came with its own selfie light. That was pretty neat. I wonder how bright it is, because the selfie light I have now is not very bright at all. I'm so tired of the mount that I have now. It's just so twisted, and I've turned it so many different ways that I'll probably have to charge this, right? Yep. Oh, I like that it has a dial. Mine right now just has 3 buttons, but I like that this one has a dial. That's pretty cool. Oh. That's actually way brighter than the one I have. Way brighter. Even when it's lowest, I think it's brighter. But it's probably gonna die soon, because I didn't charge it. Oh, it has buttons and a dial. That's pretty cool. That's nice. I'll have to charge that. Hope this came with everything it needs to put it together. The base is pretty heavy, that's good. Alright. Maybe it's already tightened. Interesting. Says insert pole into base. This will be a tight fit and will require some force. Well, let's see if we can get it in there. Ah, there we go. They were spot on with that force. And then tighten clockwise to secure. I guess it's better not just to look at the pictures, but to actually read the words they provide. Sometimes it's pretty helpful. I'm not really sure how many times I'm supposed to. Oh, that feels good. Attach overhead arm. Bias them, unscrew the collar. The pole will. Alright, so unscrew this. And then I suppose you want me to tighten it back up, right? Unscrew tightening ring from holder. Place ring over. Seems easy enough. I think they already did that for me. Because this appears to be on. Yep, well, check that off the list. Using two hands, insert the phone into the holder by pressing it onto the device. I like how it's very sturdy, this piece right here. It doesn't feel flimsy like my other one. This one's, you can hear it's just cheap plastic. Whereas this one, you can feel how nicer it is. Shafts can be adjusted by like tightening and loosening the bolt. Cool, cool. Alright, well, let's get this other piece put on here. I didn't mean to turn my phone back on, but there it goes. For instructions on how to assemble tablet holder, refer to included. Alright, well, here we go. Three steps, I like that. Oh, I think these are different attachments for different size tablets. That is pretty creative. That's pretty neat. So they have, it looks like 3 sizes here. I'm sure that'll fit all sizes, I would assume. I would hope so, because I don't even know what size mine is. That does not fit. That will fit. Perfect. So I used 2 different sizes. I used the really long one, and then I used this one for mine. I thought I was missing a piece, and here it is. Cool. Alright, so attach holder by inserting the mount's dual T-tabs into the holder's dual T-slots. Okay, simple enough. Aha! It's pretty easy. You just slide it right on in there. Unscrew the knob to loosen. Cool. I like that. I like that a lot. Looks like this mount is a swivel mount. And you can slide it all the way up and down your pole. For whatever your needs may be at that particular time. This actually, I was really excited to see how tall this goes. So that's pretty good. I love how tall it is, because even if I couldn't put this on my desk and I had to do a live, it looks like I could just put it right on the floor and I would still be able to get it to the height that I need it because of this arm. Overall, I'm very impressed, and I'm really excited to do my first live with this, you guys. This company has all kinds of mounts. They have mounts that do clip onto a table if you don't need a mount, like a base. They have much smaller mounts than this. They have tripods. They have car mounts. So I'm gonna link my discount code for you guys, and the website that you guys can get one for yourself, because I'm pretty impressed. I'm gonna play around with this for a little while. Thanks for watching.